My husband and I took her 10-year-old Aiden and her nieces and nephews who are 13, 11, 10, and 8 to Belize on vacation. Today morning we woke up bright and early and had breakfast at our hotel. After that we took the water taxi to Key Calker and then rode a golf cart to Raga Sailing Adventure. There are no cars on the island, so people get around using golf carts. We then got fitted for a snorkeling gear and it was time to head out. Booking with Raga Sailing Adventures included a few stops. First to see the tarpon, then to Shark and Ray Alley, Coral Gardens, the Hall Chan Channel, and then to see the manatees. We didn't see any manatees, but we did see dolphins swimming by and they gave us a beautiful show. Snorkeling to the Belize Barrier Reef was so much fun for all of us. The kids were brave enough to swim with sharks, but I wasn't. Lunch and drinks were provided as part of the tour. The kids rated this activity 10 out of 10. After our boat adventure, we went back to our hotel and went straight to the pool. The kids' favorite pool at the Blue Zen Resort was the glass-walled pool. We also swam at the main pool, which has beautiful views of the ocean. We ordered food by the pool to keep us going. After swimming, we went back to our room to relax. We were too tired to go down for dinner, so we ordered room service. As you can tell, there is no video of this because I was so tired I fell asleep before the kids did. Traveling with kids is exhausting, y'all. If you haven't yet, make sure to follow along to see how we spent 6 days total in Belize with 5 kids.